What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we need to go over what is happening with cryptocurrency. Correction is forming. We are starting to see the cryptos dial themselves back. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that a breakout is coming, that the bull run is over, but it is a healthy correction, and it does help crypto inevitably, with the small chance, head higher. Now, I do strongly believe there's maybe a little more room to head up higher, nowhere near the rate that we did. Maybe we see another 20 or 30%, but there's also an expected 70% dump coming for crypto that you guys need to pay attention to here. But not only do we have things like XRP sliding down, we have things like Solana correcting, we have things like Ethereum correcting to the downside here, Bitcoin still consolidating in its beautiful ascending broadening wedge, which has a bearish tendency. We have the stock market finally starting to correct. This is the first red candle after 2 weeks, which is insane here, if not longer. And we're finally starting to tread lower. This is where things start to get interesting. So pay attention. Really, seriously, pay attention, because things are about to get a little bit hectic here. We need to talk about correction here. We need to adjust a couple of charts to basically allow ourselves to figure out what the heck is going on here, because I know we need to tweak XRP's chart and a lot of these other cryptos, and things will start making a little bit more sense in the near future. So definitely stay tuned. And with all that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick, before we dive into the technical analysis, BYDFI is the number one leveraging exchange I like to use here on the channel. But what's super cool is BYDFI is doing a trading competition for the first time in a long time. I don't remember the last time they did this here. There's just 11 days left. You can see the prize pool is $9,700, and I can almost bet it is much higher than that once I give this this page a quick refresh here. But it's basically a trading competition that anyone can enter, whether you're brand new to crypto or you're brand new to the BYDFI exchange, or you've been a user of BYDFI for 7 years now, which hasn't existed, but let's say for the past 2 years. And you might think, oh, it's too late to enter, it's only for new users. Nope, it's for anyone, which is super cool. But let's give this a quick refresh, as the price pool is always surprising me here. 9,700 is now, there we go, $10,000. Absolutely insane. So get yourselves involved in this trading competition, because you got to be in it to win it. And I don't say that as a joke here, but more so anyone can win it. You might be dissuaded or not wanting to get in because you see how high the current winners are. You can see prize pool is going to be split to the top 5 people. And you can see here that it's 10 mil, which is insane in trading volume right now. But what's crazy and what's awesome is BYDFI thought about this and thought, oh, a lot of people are not going to want to trade because of how high these guys are doing here. Well, the best part is they are going to split 20% of the prize pool to a random 5 traders who have trading volume of over $100, which is extremely easy to hit in trading volume. You could literally $100 is $10 times 10. That's $100, and that's it. $10 deposited into the exchange, traded with 10x leverage, will get you entered here. And to split 5%, to get 5% of 10 grand is quite a hefty amount. And then when you consider that we have 11 days left, this is probably going to hit close to maybe 16 to 20K in trading volume here. To have 5% of $15,000 to $20,000 is a hefty amount for only putting $100 in of trading volume. That's not even lost. You could profit off the trade and literally not lose anything and actually make money, which is super cool. So you can see it's split. The number one will get 25%, so on and so forth here. We have a 10 mil trader right here, which is insane, but he's very close to Jay Porter here. So that'll be very interesting to see who actually wins this here. Very excited, to who these anonymous people are. They know who they are because I keep talking about them every day here. But more information about BYDFI will be later on in today's video, as well as how to earn up to their $8,100 deposit bonus, which is super cool. But to dive right into the technical analysis here, I want to first look at the coin market cap. You can see we're down. Things are starting to correct. Volume is dropping steadily. Market cap is dropping steadily. We're down 3.5%. Makes total sense here. Bitcoin's down, or XRP's down 20%. Cardano's down 21%. Cryptos are falling. The market is turning red. No surprises there. We knew this was going to happen. And this is, look at it. It's all bloody. Correction is definitely here, but it's so healthy that we see this pullback, because if we wanted to go higher, we would need to be a little more patient. Like if we want the markets to go higher, we would have to pull back just a couple percentage points to not be so overbought. And then we can head up. For example, XRP is no longer overbought, trading at 85 on the relative strength indicator on the 4-hour. It's now trading at 31. So now we have room to head up higher, which is what I want to show you in a couple of seconds here. But you can see yesterday we made a video saying it's starting, do not panic for XRP Ripple. And we're going to continue off with that as we're starting to see cryptos now do the same thing. You can see here, this is what I'm talking about, not panicking. So we had a very small window of opportunity with only a 2-point retest, which isn't enough to confirm this symmetrical triangle, but we had drawn this as resistance and support. We did see that confirmation for a short opportunity there that did break there, but I'm noticing if we extend this out, we are in the play of an obvious bull flag. We are without a doubt, with full certainty, forming a bull flag formation here. Check this out. Now again, there's only 2 points of confirmation on the top. The support though, the bottom, looks very nice. Now, these typically break bullish. So there is, and this is what I'm talking about, a very small chance we do actually head up higher, which would be awesome if that actually does decide to break out. But you can see we are in a new formation of what could be a bull flag. You can see clear as day here, we have a massive flag pull up, and we have what is starting to be a lower high, lower low pattern. Obviously, we need more retests for us to confirm that this is actually here to stay. But you can see that pattern here. And if I literally pull up bull flag crypto, as I always do, you can see exactly what that pattern looks like. This is textbook breakout. You can see this is what a bull flag looks like here. Lower high, lower low patterns. We confirm closure outside here. We continue the run to the upside. How we enter is how we exit. And you can see if I go back to XRP here, check it out. Look at this. So this very well could be the bottom for XRP short term right now. And what I mean by that is we could easily start to rally back up to retest here. And we're waiting for this to fill in. And if I jump to the daily, you can see it becomes more clear. Like we are just starting to form a new bull flag. And as you guys know, bull flags are quite common on XRP, as we have been forming one for months now. If I scroll down right here, you can see since the start here, we have a bull flag, a clear as day bull flag, as I've referenced many times, but a lot of you guys are new to the channel. So you can see here, we had the flag pull up, followed by the lower high, lower low pattern that has been taking place since July. We had July, August, September, October, November, and then we broke out right here, confirmation, and then we rallied to the upside here. So you can see this bull flag led to a bullish rally to the upside here, and an enormous one nonetheless. But now if we zoom in to like the daily, we're starting to form another right at the top. And this obviously is one of two things. Now this could start our descent. We could start to settle back down. That is a very large possibility, but keep in mind we're in a bull flag. So what that means is, yes, there is a small window of opportunity for us to head higher, but it needs to confirm break here. So really, you shouldn't trade. If you're an aggressive trader, you could take advantage of the trade here for the possibility of intra-trading it within this fractal, or you can wait for the blessed confirmation above this. That would instill a run to the upside here. So wait for that to happen. But because we're near oversold, because we're at the bottom here, much greater chance of a small trade within the bull flag. Then again, you look at this, we're trading at 59. Like we could head back up, but we need to head lower. We are so exhausted, seriously. And we'll do these trades on BYDFI. Like I said, #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange, completely free to sign up. Link down in the description. They have new user bonuses as well as a demo trading account, which I love. So for those new to crypto, you can use the demo trading account to get familiar with the exchange and just practice trading because it's completely free. So you don't have to risk anything. Learn the trade, learn how to do it. Even for people that are, advanced traders here, it just keeps you from not getting rusty. Practicing, learning, getting familiar, and then when you're ready, you obviously head on over to the live trading account and you can go from there. And then on top of that, you have the the reward center, which can give you $100 to the users who sign up completely free. That's super cool. So anyone can claim that. You can even make a new account and claim it, which is epic. And then they have, which a lot of you guys are like, all right, I already have an account. We'll make a new email and just sign up, and you could do the same thing. Then you have limited time rewards up to 8K, which is super cool. You can check these out down in the description below. And then on top of that here, you can then go over to the download trading account. And what I love, or the live trading account, what I love about this is right here, bonus wallet, you can actually withdraw all the profits off bonus money. So even if you lose and you're in the negatives on bonus money, who cares? It's not your money. If you gain profit off of it here, you can withdraw all that right into MetaMask or wherever, which is also super cool. So definitely make sure to check all of that out with the link down in the description below. And then anywho, to wrap up today's video here, you can see all these other cryptocurrencies are starting to see bull flags, so on and so forth. We extend this out clear as day. You can see we've now finally entered the ascending broadening wedge on Solana here, or the ascending fractal. And this now could instill correction. You can see something like that. Large bull flag, large correction. Same thing with XRP starting its descent. Ethereum broke out of this. There's a small chance we could extend it like that. Very small. Just... it does seem to look like that. You can see 1, 2, 3. So that's a possibility, actually. There's a chance Ethereum could rally up. Like I said, a lot of these cryptos short-term could see a small little run like this. Very possible. And then Bitcoin, too, looks really good. Also, small chance of heading up here. You can see if I jump to the 4-hour, we look really nice, trending inside of an ascending fractal here. Also looks very ready for another pump. So very possible we could see that. Stock market definitely heading down, though. But with that being said, smash your like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.